To troubleshoot your Absa Bank Youth account, start by checking your account status online or through the mobile banking app. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of the app installed. If you are having trouble logging in, try resetting your password or username by following the prompts on the login page. Next, review your account activity to identify any suspicious or unfamiliar transactions. Check for any pending transactions that may be causing issues with your account balance. If you notice any discrepancies, contact Absa Bank customer support immediately to report the issue. Another common issue with youth accounts is insufficient funds or exceeded transaction limits. Check your account terms and conditions to understand the transaction limits and fees associated with your account. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover any transactions or debits. If you are experiencing issues with your debit card, check that it is activated and not expired. Try using the card at a different merchant or ATM to rule out any issues with the specific location. If the problem persists, contact Absa Bank to request a replacement card or to have your card unlocked. To avoid common issues with your Absa Bank Youth account, regularly monitor your account activity, keep your login credentials secure, and notify the bank of any changes to your personal details. By following these steps, you can quickly troubleshoot and resolve any issues with your Absa Bank Youth account, ensuring you can manage your finances effectively and efficiently. It is also essential to stay informed about any updates or changes to your account terms and conditions. Absa Bank often sends notifications to account holders about changes to services, fees, or security protocols. Stay up to date with these notifications to avoid any unexpected issues with your account. By being proactive and taking the necessary steps to troubleshoot your Absa Bank Youth account, you can enjoy a hassle-free banking experience and make the most of the benefits and features offered by the account. Remember to always prioritize your account security and seek help from Absa Bank customer support whenever you need assistance.